guys, we became Squishies. Hi, Crispal. Hey, where you go? Anyway, Crispal, let's do the obby.
Bro, hurry up.
Where are you?
I'm jumping.
I'm a zombie dumpling right now. Where are you?
I'm jumping.
Do you go all the way there already?
Yeah.
I'm also a zombie dumpling. At the end, whoever has the best dumpling wins.
Okay.
And I'm way ahead of you.
No, you're not.
I'm on top of you right now.
Tall dumpling.
Hi, Crispal.
Uh,
Blue dumpling.
Okay, blue. Of course, blue, bro.
Hey, are you using a speed coil? Not fair, man.
No, it's dual. It's dual.
That's called fusion coil.
Yeah, fusion. Yeah, okay.
Why you always cheat with that fusion coil, bro?
Bro, I just found five times five. Answered it, and then I just come there and get it. Chef?
I have a burger. I'm eating a burger. I'm a dumpling that's eating a burger. I feel so dumb.
And I'm a dumpling that's so small.
I have Bloxy Cola.
So like,
Coca-Cola.
Guys, I'm actually super small. Guys, in real life, I'm actually so small. Like this dumpling that I have. Right, How Young?
What? What do you say? I don't know. I was not listening. What do you say?
Come.
Hey, Crispal, where are you?
Police dumpling?
Where are you?
Jumping. I see you. I'm jumping.
Where? Down or up?
Go. Go.
Hi. Why are you so small? How do you get so small?
Am I alive because I drink a shrink potion?
How do you get a shrink potion?
I got it from the lucky block.
What?
I fell down.
Yo, Crispal, how do you
I fell
fall?
down again. I fell down.
I also have a shrink potion.
Bro. Go drink it.
No, I don't want to be
Be
tiny.
small like me in real life.
Nah.
Be small like me in real
You're not
life.
drinking it. Yeah, I'm tiny. The opposite of me in real life.
Yeah, you're actually massive in real life.
Yeah. Crispal, where are you, bro?
Bomb back to the ground.
Heck. Hey, nah, bro.
I can just skip it.
Crispal, I'm stuck at the worst door possible. Help me, bro. Where are you?
Nah, bro.
Is being a cat dumpling or dog dumpling? I'm actually more of a dog person, so I'm gonna be a dog.
Bro thought control me.
Gravity coil.
I fell down again. I fell down again.
Okay.
I'm actually locking in. I almost fell down.
I can't even climb a ladder as a doggy. Heck nah, man.
You're a dog?
Yeah, I'm
Since
a
when you're a
dog.
dog?
Yes, I just said I'm a dog.
Ooh,
doing-
wizard or mech? I like wizard.
I'd rather be a robot. Fox or cloud? I'm a cloud dumpling, bro. Somehow I'm a cloud dumpling with legs.
Somehow I'm still a police dumpling.
Yeah, because you fell from there. That means you'll not get turned into a mech or anything. You'll still be from your highest point. I'm a cloud dumpling. Okay, so I think I'm almost at the end. Oh, honey dumpling or panda dumpling? Panda! My favorite animal is panda.
Like Poe, the
Dude, I'm Chinese. Of course my favorite animal is panda. Duh.
of course, bro.
Demon dumpling or angel dumpling? I want to be ninja. I'm gonna do a demon. Bye bye. I'm a demon.
Why did Andrew join us?
I don't know. I can fly though as an angel dumpling.
Of course. I fell down again.
How do you
I
keep
hate
falling? Remember the last one there? It has to turn their avatar into a girl.
What?
Yeah, I'm not joking, bro. I'm not joking.
I'm at the green place.
I'm at the pink place, bro.
Candy? Candy volcanic, bro. Of course, bro. I'm on fire. Bring me to you. Ooh, Bloxy Cola.
Roxy Cola does like bait. I'm on the devil zone now. I like this place, man. This place is cool.
Rainbow or toxic? Toxic. I don't want. You know, guys, the rainbow, right? Yeah.
Yo, Crystal, I'm a king dumpling. I demand you to bow down to me.
I'm toxic, bro. You can. Shrink potion? Okay. Huh? Larang kami game.
I'm so small, man. The crown is bigger than me.
Hindi po.
No, I fell to the green place.
Fox dumpling or cloud dumpling? Of course cloud, bro.
Yo, Crystal, I fell back to the green place. Oh no.
Also me, but I get back to the purple and white.
Don't worry, I can speed run. I am not the goat of obbies. I am now on pink again. Yo, Crystal, I'm speed running, bro. I'm speed running. What the? Would you rather be a driving dumpling or a what? A glitch dumpling. Give me a glitch dumpling,
glitch,
man.
of course.
But I'm still a king dumpling because I'm the king. Crystal, I'm back at the red place. Where are you?
I fell down to the green place.
Again?
Bro, I don't know why. And I fell down even more, but still in the green place.
What? You know what? I'm not gonna question it. Is it because of your skill issue?
Yeah. I haven't played obby for a long time, so.
Dude, I'm worse at obbies than you, and I barely even play it.
You bare played before, bro. When I joined the game, I see you have 8,500
8,500 what? Or
coins. Oh, let's go. I'll do left.
I'm almost at the end, bro. You better hurry up, bro. I'm freaking almost at the end. Just 10 more steps and I'm done. I'm at the end. Crystal, you're cooked, bro. Prepare to change your avatar. Prepare to change your avatar, bro. Prepare to change your avatar.
I got the fusion. I have one fusion and not the fusion. Honey, of course, bro. I like honey. I'm lucky.
This is so satisfying. Crystal, prepare for the most satisfying loss ever.
I'm locking in.
I'm at the end already, bro. What do you mean? I'm at the end already.
Why
Bro,
am I so slow? Oh yeah.
When you turn on sound and step on the dumpling, it sounds so satisfying.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, Crystal, hurry up, bro. I'm gonna click on this button and you gotta change your avatar.
What? Galaxy? Of course, King, bro. No, 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 no.
Yo, Chris, I'm stepping on the button in 3, 2. Should I do it, bro? Or should I restart?
That's not it. I felt.
Chris, where are you? I see
Whoa,
you.
whoa,
Are you the
whoa, whoa.
angel dumpling?
Wait, not yet.
I'm gonna step on the button. 3, 2,
Wait, not yet.
1. 3,
Wait,
2,
what?
1, 0.
I can't stop winning.
I can't stop winning.
I can't stop winning.
I won.
I can't stop
Wait, can I make it there?
Yeah, but I still gotta change your avatar.
Change my avatar to what?
I already told you. A dumpling.
But I have no Robux.
Okay, it's okay. I'm just kidding. Yo, Chris, can you go back to spawn?
Wait.
My dumpling is puny, bro. Chris, where are you? I'm puny, bro. Oh my, this is so funny. I'm puny.
God! God!
We're gonna drink more drink. I am so small. Oh, the sound is so satisfying.
Dito ko na sa taas, dito yan mo. Yung mga saksakan yan naman dito, oh. Ayusin natin yan.
Oh my, so satisfying. So satisfying.
Ang tubig. Sa flyer, nandito din. Ito, nandito din. Hindi ko gamitin, patay niya ito.
Okay.
Chris, where are you?
Hacker or black hole? Hacker, bro.
Chris, are you still not here yet?
Yeah?
Go back to spawn, bro. Or actually, just get the win,
Wait.
man. Just get the win. I'm waiting for you. For
Well,
some, the sound is so satisfying.
Stop winning.
I can't stop winning.
Ring potion.
Bro, I'm so
shrink
tiny.
again.
Bro, I'm so freaking
I
tiny. You can't even see me anymore, bro. I'm so tiny.
Yeah, finally.
Chris, where are you? Are you at spawn yet?
I can't stop winning.
I can't stop winning.
Yeah, because I'm the GOAT. I'm just kidding, man.
Bro, I'm a king dumpling. Go back down.
Chris, where are you, bro? I'm waiting.
Down, bro.
I can't stop winning.
What dumpling are you?
I'm a king dumpling. And I already beat the game.
Sad or
Hey, Chris,
Just see
I'm in
normal
front of you.
dumpling.
Do you see me?
yeah.
Look at my dumpling. Look at my dumpling. My dumpling, look at it.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Yeah.
Guys, it's the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Yeah.